Hello and welcome to this episode today. How to use an action camera for streaming. So now streaming can be different types of streaming. You may be interested to put your face on a video of you playing a game. So you want to show people how you play a game and you talk about it. I don't do much gameplay videos, but I made another video separately speaking about how to use an action camera for streaming, and that got some views. So I'm thinking to explain it better, people are interested in using it for Twitch. So because I don't Twitch, I've had to create a profile to show you how to use an action camera. So I've basically gone on Twitch, made a profile for my other channel, Zof Talks, and it's not that difficult. Once you make the Twitch channel, I thought you would actually need to put some settings in to make your action camera a webcam, but it's not the case. You can actually use a different software, which I use anyway. So I use OBS for recognizing my action camera as a webcam. So you basically plug in your action camera via the USB cable into your computer. Make sure the memory card is out of the camera. If it's if it's not a GoPro, basically, you will get the option behind the screen to allow it to be used as a webcam. Once it's used as a webcam, you can position it on a little stand, and then that will allow you to use it as a streaming software. So in OBS, it actually lets you, wait, let me get you, so see here in the Twitch page I set up, the first option is telling me is get streaming software. So there's different types of streaming software out there. Because I use OBS, I've set up my OBS to work on Facebook Live, Twitch, YouTube Live, so I can basically set up live sessions and do it on any of those channels. The only difference is you would get your own link from your profile, your account settings in Twitch, and you'll get a profile link, which I won't show you because it's private to each profile, and you paste that into OBS, which lets OBS know where you're streaming to, and that allows you to use a webcam from your action camera. You can even buy a cheap action camera or use loads of alternatives, but for gaming purposes it is an option. I might have a video that I can actually show you. Let me quickly show you of me messing about with it. Did I do one of a gameplay? Well, yes, I'm sure I did. Oh yeah, here. So if I show you this quick live stream, it's basically using OBS, and I had my screen recording set on. So see, that is basically like a Twitch profile. That's OBS. So it can be done. That was an action camera, because you can see it's a different angle to my DSLR. It's like off center. It was on top of my monitor. So that's a quick look at how to do that. I'll link you to this playlist of webcam alternatives. So if you don't have a webcam, there's loads of other ways you can do it. Make sure to check that out. It'll give you all the information you need, and I'll see you on one of those videos.